Alright, alright, good afternoon everyone. So we'll have our um box break 17 team random. This is the 10 box mixer. Um, two boxes of contenders, three boxes of hoops, both 16, 17. Um, two boxes of absolute 15, 16, and three boxes of revolution 15, 16 as well. So as usual, we're going to randomize the names and the teams based on the two dice roll. So we'll first randomize the names. So for the names, we're going to randomize them by 6 times. So we have Gary on top, Batario at the bottom. So as a recap, I forgot. So we have Gary, Victor, Janelle, Paul, Edgar, Chris, Rico, Ryan, Ryle, Chris Ralph, Ace, Ryan Paul, Mac Mullins, Moki, Ed Juice, Vincent, Ace, Emaxi, Stuart, John Paul, Ian Fabros, KP, Mike, Edgar, Marky, Ryan Reyes, John Paul, Victor, and Batario. Alright, so 6 times. Good luck, everyone. One, two, three, four, five. And after 5 turns, Rico on top, Stuart at the bottom, last turn. Good luck. So after 6 turns, Ace on top, KP at the bottom. So for the teams, we're going to randomize them by 8 times. Atlanta on top, Washington at the bottom. Good luck, everyone. 8 times. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven. After 7 turns, Memphis on top, Bucks at the bottom. Last turn. Good luck. Jazz on top, Kings at the bottom. So for your teams, Ace will have Utah, Ian Fabros, Timberwolves, Paul, Celtics, Ryan Paul, Cavs, Victor, Wizards, Ed Juice, Lakers, Edgar Nets, Ace Warriors, Stuart, Blazers, Emaxe, Bucks, Smokey, Suns, Victor Heat, Ryan Paul, Pelicans, Ryan Reyes, Grizzlies, Jonelle, Hawks, Gary, Raptors, Rico, Magic, Marky, Knicks, Chris Ralph, Bulls, Ryle, Rockets, John Paul, Sixers, Batario, Hornets, John Paul, Mavs, Chris, Pacers, McMullen, Spurs, Gary, Pistons, Edgar, Nuggets, Mike, Thunder, Vincent, Clippers, and lastly, KP will have the Kings. All right, so we'll have our team break later tonight at 7 p.m. Um, all right, so good luck, everyone, and see you later.